Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can hide following list on Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Instagram app and log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your bottom right corner to your profile, and from there just go to your settings. And from here go a bit down until you find this account privacy option. So turn the private account on like this, switch to private, and now the person who are not in your following list will not be able to see your following list. So it's basically hidden. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.